Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential tech so class starts smoothly. Devices, network, audio, and projector. Once done, sign into the chosen platform and open your lesson file. Next, launch a short 5-10-minute demo to model expectations and show navigation. This reduces downtime and anxiety. Make sure to assign roles like presenter or helper to one student to test sharing. This first action sequence gets everyone oriented and creates momentum for interactive work immediately. You now expand the lesson with interactive tools that hold attention and measure understanding. Start with a poll or quick quiz to check baseline knowledge. Then move into a paired task using shared documents so students collaborate in real time. Use visible timers and concise prompts to keep flow tight, and alternate whole class displays with small group breakouts to reduce cognitive load. Make sure to circulate, either physically or via chat, to monitor progress and offer targeted support where needed. You finish by consolidating learning. Summarize the main ideas, highlight student examples, and post resources for review. Then collect a quick formative check, an exit poll, or a very short reflection, so you know what to reteach. Once done, export or save student work and set a clear follow-up task. If something breaks, try the basic fix. Refresh the app, rejoin the session, or switch to a phone hotspot. This simple troubleshooting often restores connectivity fast and keeps the lesson on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.